Good morning, class. Happy Monday. We're on lesson 35 today. It's Power Up F. Let's get started with our name at the top. Hey, I just got finished entering all your grades from last week, and I just wanted to thank all the students that are showing all their work on the side, all their answers, and the problem of the day, as well as dividing it into 6 on the back and showing your work from the assignment. You guys are receiving A pluses. They're gimme grades that really help your grades. Now, last week I gave some C's and I gave some F's. If you check your grade link and you check online, you received a C or an F if you didn't do this back on the 6. That's not done correctly, and if you didn't show your work. So if you're looking for a C's or an F's or a GPA of a 2.0, that's how you get it, by skipping work. If you're going for A pluses and 4.0s, then make sure you show all your work. We do everything on the video. Make sure that you watch the video, take your time, and do great work. 7 times 9, 63. 4 times 4, 16. 2 times 5 is 10. 6 times 9 is 54. 5 times 6 is 30. 3 times 8 is 24. 4 times 9 is 36. 2 times 3 is 6. 7 times 8 is 56. 3 times 5 is 15. 9 times 5 is 45. 3 times 4 is 12. 8 times 9 is 72. 2 times 2 is 4. 10 times 10 is 100. 4 times 6 is 24. 6 times 7 is 42. 2 times 8 is 16. 7 times 7 is 49. 8 times 0 is 0. Third column. 8 times 8 is 64. 2 times 7 is 14. 3 times 6 is 18. 5 times 8 is 40. 4 times 7 is 28. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 9 is 81. 5 times 7 is 35. 2 times 9 is 18. 7 times 1 is 7. 4 times 5 is 20. 6 times 8 is 48. 2 times 4 is 8. 0 times 0 is 0. 3 times 7 is 21. 4 times 8 is 32. 2 times 6 is 12. 5 times 5 is 25. 3 times 9 is 27. And 6 times 6 is 36. That's just one component. Let's go on to the second one. We're in the mental math. Lesson 35 is located on page 216 in your books. You may have your books open to that. We're going to do A first. It says round 285 to the nearest 100. First, we're going to underline the 100, and we're going to look back. Round 285. 1 through 4, I don't get no more. 5 through 9, round up one time, and it's an 8. An 8 falls between 5 through 9, so we say, hey, we got enough to round up. Let's round that 2 to a 3, and everything else becomes a 0. Your choice was between 200 or 300, and 85 is closer to 300. B, it says number sense, 300 plus 800. That's really like saying what's 3 plus 8 is 11, and bring down the zeros. C, number sense, 300 times 8. 8 times 0 is, 8 times 0 is, and 8 times 3 is, 1, 2, 3, comma, 2,400. D, it says there are 42 beads in each necklace. How many beads are in 5 necklaces? I have 42 beads, and I have 5 necklaces. 5 groups of 42. 5 times 2 is 10. 0 down, 1 up. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 1 is 21. 210. What? Do I need a label? Yes. Beads. E. 1/2 of 42 meters. 1/2 of 42. Whenever we take half a number, we divide by the bottom number, multiply by the top. So this problem really says 42 divided by 2. How many times does 2 go into 4? 2 times. 2 times 2 is 4. Subtract 4 minus 4 is 0. bring down the 2. How many times does 2 go into 2? 1 time. Half of 41, half of 42 is 21. 21 what? Meters. F, 50% of $8. When I say 50%, you say 1/2. Good. So we got to change that percent to a half. Half of $8. Hopefully we know that in our mind. 1 for me, 1 for you. 1 for me, 1 for you. Half of $8 should be $4. If you're not sure, go ahead. How many times does 2 go into 8? 4. $4.00. Now the next one says 25%. When I say 25%, you say 1/4. Now if you say that out loud, you're going to learn it faster. When I say 25%, you say 1/4. What is 1/4 of $8? So now we're going to take our $8 and divide it by 4. How many times 4 go into 8? 2. 2 what? $2. And the last one, I like to do it across the bottom. 3 times 9 equals 27. 27 plus 1 is 28. 28 divided by 7 equals 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 times 5 equals 25. 25 minus 1 equals 24. And 24 divided by 4 equals, little drum roll, 6. Now if you can't do the mental math as fast as I can, just do it along with me and we'll get faster as we go. Problem solving, problem 8. Choose an appropriate problem solving strategy to solve this problem. Matrilyn, I'm going to call her Bob. Bob has a pet dog and a pet cat. Together the two animals weigh 42 pounds. The dog weighs 14 pounds more than the cat. How much does each pet weigh? So I got a dog number plus a cat number equals a total of 42 pounds. Now you got to be careful here because it says that the dog weighs 14 pounds more than the cat. So if they were the same number here, you would have plus 14 for the dog's number. Now, it's kind of like having a missing add-in problem with a twist. So let's get rid of this dog weighing 14 extra pounds first by subtracting it. 42 minus 14. Cross out the 4 and make it a 3. 12 minus 4 is 8, and 3 minus 1 is 2. So now I got 28 pounds, and I want to take that 28 pounds and I want to give half of it to the cat and half of it to the dog, and then when I do that, I'm going to add the 14 more that the dog weighs. Okay, so let's go ahead and take 28 divided by 2. How many times does 2 go into 2? 1 time. 1 times 2 is 2, and you subtract. You get 0. Bring down my 8. How many times 2 go into 8? 4. So the cat weighs 14 pounds, and the dog weighs 14 pounds plus the 14 more pounds, which is really strange that it worked out that way. That actually equals 28. So the dog equals 28 pounds, and the cat equals 14 pounds. And that's our answer. Guys, I still didn't get my A+. I'm going for an A+. This is about B work right here. I showed all my work, which some of you guys are skipping, and I showed all my work here, which some of you guys are skipping. I'm not sure why. Mind-boggling. Now, if I'm going for A+, I got to flip this over to this side here, and I got to divide this into 6th, and I have to watch Mr. Bauer's next video, and I got to fill this in. I look forward to seeing you.